Bob Dressler. I'm one of the product experts here at eComfort, and
I'm Chris Zitko. I'm one of the other product experts here.
we're here to talk to you today about the Ecostyle radiators and some of the other radiators that are on our site that require a port adapter to go into the inlet and outlet side of the ports. If you'll see on the bottom of the radiator, it ships with just shipping plugs that keep the threads from being painted. What you want to do is take one of your port adapters. It is 1/2 inch BSP, British Standard Pipe Thread, to 3/4 inch BSP, and you simply screw those in. They come with a rubber gasket on it, rubber seal, and once you screw those in, you can tighten them basically by hand, and then you can switch over to any of the different fittings that you're going to need to hook onto any different type of pipe arrangement, whether it's a 1/2 inch pipe thread or whether it's a solder joint or whatever. You can also go into the different types of valving, and we'll go into that at another video. But just to give you an idea, these are required with all of the hookups that we have for Ecostyle radiators. Okay.
Please note that a lot of the valve sets that we do sell, such as the bypass, automatically already come with this set in it. So if you do have any questions, always feel free to give us a call. We're definitely here for you.